Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to make a pocket knife. I just made this. It's a pocket knife, as you can see, my pointy end. And I'm going to show you how to make that. Okay, first you're going to need 3 popsicle sticks. Mine is very big and fat. Very fat. You're going to need 3 rubber bands. You're going to need 3 rubber bands. I have 3 rubber bands. Yep, you're going to need 3 rubber bands. You're going to need tape. You're going to need a nail filer. And you're going to also need scissors. Okay, this is how you make it. First thing you want to do is make your blade. I'm gonna make your blade first. Okay, so this is how I make my blade. Okay, get your scissors and your popsicle stick. Cut your popsicle stick at an angle. See, it's at an angle. You can make it long, you can make it short. I'm gonna make mine short, so that way it can fit in my pocket. Sorry I'm flinching, it's because my scissors aren't in the right scissors for cutting. Sorry I'm flinching, it's just that my scissors aren't in the right scissors for cutting wood like that, so let me just cut it one more time. Okay, when it's finished, you can cut at an angle. You wanna cut the end, just the end. That's why you wanna cut it off. Not at an angle, just cut the end piece off. So it should look basically like this. Now you're gonna get your nail filer and file just the top. Don't file your don't file your blade. Just file like this. Just follow that to get it straight. Oh yeah, also follow the side right here. So it won't be so sharp. Follow this down. So basically now it should look like this. Okay. Now you're gonna get your tape and you wanna roll it. Roll up your tape like this, and then you want to put it down right at the end. You want to put it down at the end like that, and then you're going to get your other popsicle stick and you're going to measure it up until it should be at least a little over. So I'm just going to cut that like that. The perfect size. Now what you want to do is take this, you want to press it down where it looks like a V, and get your rubber band, and rubber band that, so that way it will not come off. See? Should look like that. If you're wondering what I'm following the end of my blade, at the end, because it's gonna hurt. So I'm following it down. So there should look like this for now. So that way it can close, open, close, open. Right? Okay, so it's not really over it like that, like I wanted it, and I wasn't expecting that, so now I'm going to get my end piece. I'm just going to cut that end piece, and then I guess I'm going to just put it like that and file it. This, I'm not going to need any like rubber band for that part. I'm just going to like roll up your tape again. press it down, press it down. So that way, it still can't, still just do like that. I'm not really gonna use that, so it should look like that. And then you're gonna get your other popsicle stick. Make this one, I'll make it right. Just cut right above your blade. Just cut right above your blade. Right above it. Like, I'm measuring mine up. So, you know, I'm not gonna just do it in one snap like I keep doing. I'm just gonna just do like that. And then do it like that. I'm gonna file my circle part down. Should look like that. Then you're gonna get your tape again. What you want to do with it is roll it up again. This is a very easy thing to do. I mean, some people have to act like minutes. Then you want to go ahead and do it like that. You can see. I taped it, and now I'm going to get my rubber band again. And then I'm going to do everything. I'm going to rubber band everything together. Everything has a double rubber band. This is a very easy project. I mean, just be safe about it. Okay, see, look. There we go. Since I have one rubber band left, and I didn't recognize that, I only have one rubber band left, I am going to use it. I am going to use my little backboard thing. I am going to use it now, since I have one rubber band left. And yours should look, it should look nice and good. Sorry this is such a long video. Maybe some of it is because I'm talking, and some is because I'm working while I'm talking. Like, I'm working while I'm talking still, but just have fun with this and don't use it for bad things. This is for protection. This is for protection of yourself. But I'm definitely doing this with the girls, but boys can do it too. And be safe with this activity. Be very safe with it, because it is dangerous. But you may cut yourself a little bit. You may cut yourself just a little bit. And you cut yourself. And if you do, it's okay, because, you know, so this is what it should look like. And I made two. Cool, right? So, see you later, YouTube. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my video. It's extra long, extra stupid long, so bye.